Good morning, good morning, good morning. So good morning, y'all, and welcome back to another video. All right, y'all, so as y'all have read by the title, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for a sleepover. So that's what we about to do. And I know y'all probably like, girl, you too big for a sleepover. You're never too big for a sleepover. Trust me. All the girlies is having sleepovers these days. So you're never too old for a sleepover, okay? We might do something before. I don't know. We're supposed to be going bowling or to the movies. I don't know. Either or. But yeah, we're gonna do something fun first, and then we're gonna do our little sleepover. Might play some games, take a couple shots. Y'all know how it goes. So that's what we doing. So right now I'm just finishing up my makeup. And y'all know my makeup don't be too much. I just do my little concealer, my eyelashes, do my eyebrows, and then do my lips. A little bit of eyeliner, and that's it. But y'all listen. Every time I want to go somewhere, I get a freaking bump in the ugliest spots. Like, they be in the weirdest spots. Every single time I want to go somewhere. Like, why? It's always when I want to go somewhere. Like, I can be in the house for a month straight. My face will be clear. Soon as I want to pop out and go outside, I get the ugliest, weirdest looking bumps in the weirdest spots. It pisses me off. I hate it. I'm gonna finish doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna pack me a little baggie, a little spend the night bag. So that's what we doing. So quiet in here. The kids are gone. Then I got the TV turned down because I don't want all that background noise. But yeah, we're gonna do us a little sleepover or whatever because we haven't seen each other in a minute. Like, it's been a minute. So we got a lot of catching up to do. So that's what we about to do. And I need me a fun little night out. Oops, something fell. Alright, so I ain't look at that bump. It's pissing me off. I think I'm gonna throw on this shirt because I like yellow on my skin. Like, I think it's so cute. So that's what we're gonna do. Probably some black pants to go with this. And I'll probably throw on a jacket. Because I want to go for a cozy, chill type of vibe. So that's what I want to do. Because you know when you go to the movies or you go bowling, you want to be comfortable. So, yeah. So I'm going to put my clothes on. And I'll be back. Alright, y'all. I just put my clothes on. I'm about to put on my lotion. And this is the Nivea Vanilla Lotion. I think that's how you pronounce it. Nivea. So, I'm going to lotion up. I am so hungry. I am so hungry right now. So I'm excited to see everything. Little table topper. So for my deodorant, I'm using the Secret Vanilla, Cozy Vanilla, the spray deodorant. And I guess I'm doing a vanilla scent today because my lotion is vanilla, deodorant vanilla, and I think the perfume I'm gonna put on is vanilla too. I guess we're gonna do a little vanilla scent today. It's cookies in a pack that you put in the oven. You see them? Alright, y'all, I'm pretty much dressed and ready to go. Now I just need to pack my bag. So I'm gonna pack this bag right here because this is like the only big bag that I got. Yeah, I think this is like my only little to-go bag that I got. So I'm gonna put all my stuff in here. So that's what we're gonna do. And I really only need like bed clothes and something to go home in. So yeah, because it's just overnight. And I already found some of my stuff. We might not even end up going nowhere. The time is ticking, y'all. So for my little sleepwear / loungewear, I got this little white top. And then I got these white shorts. So that's going to be like my little comfy outfit to lounge around in and sleep in. So got that. Next, I got a towel, washcloth. I might go grab another one so I can have one for my face and one for my body. So I'm gonna add this to the bag. I got some socks. I got all my makeup in this bag in case I need to touch up my makeup. I think that's everything. I need to grab my eyelash glue and a beauty blender. So, got this. Got my beauty blender. My lotion. What else I need? Body wash. I'm gonna take this body wash. We're gonna do this deodorant. And then I got some cards on my brain. I wish I had some Uno cards. So maybe we can go by the store and get some Uno cards or something like that. If we want to play Uno. So I just got that. Makeup wipes. But I don't want to take the whole pack. Or should I just take the whole pack? I might put some in a Ziploc bag. That's what I'm doing. I'll just put some of the makeup wipes in here so I don't have to take the whole bag. Alright, got my makeup wipes. Underwear. Need some underwear. I think I'm gonna take my robe just to be cute. Put it over my little white set that I got. So, okay, got lotion, body wash, wash rag, towel. Got something to wear to bed. Got something to wear home. Got some socks, underwear. I don't know. Let me look over here, y'all. I don't know, but I think that's everything. I think that's everything. I don't want to overthink it. My problems. Oh, toothpaste. I'll just take one. I don't want to overdo it. I'll take this one. I almost forgot, y'all. That's why I'm glad I got this little thing over here. Like, I love this little thing. I love this little setup. It's so organized. It keeps me organized. So that's why I love it. I know where everything is. I can just come up and grab it. Let me get my gum. All right, y'all. I think I pretty much got everything. I got my cards, my money, all that, ID, all that. I got some gum. Need my toothbrush. I got the toothpaste. Now I need the toothbrush. My toothbrush. I'm gonna go get another Ziploc bag. I love a good Ziploc bag. Like, you can just use it for everything. I love them. So, all right. And I think I'm gonna just take this bag. So since I'm only taking this bag, I might need something to put like my money and stuff in. I don't even have a cute little wallet I can use. So I'll probably just put everything in the Ziploc bag. So that's what I'm about to do. So this one is going to be for my stuff, like my cards, ID, and all of that. I'm going to put my gum in there, like all my small stuff, since I'm not carrying an extra bag. So that's what this is going to be. And I think I got everything. But if I think of something else, I'm just add it in. So I'm so hungry. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, so I just got back home and I did not vlog yesterday. But I wanted to, but I didn't. Sorry y'all missed out on the fun, but yeah, I just came back in the house. I've been home for like 10 minutes. I just warmed up my food from last night. I got some Mexican food, so I just warmed that up. I'm about to eat that. And I think my sister about to drop Cairo off, so the girls are with my other sister, so he gonna be the only one here for a while. But I'm about to go find me something to watch, eat my food, and relax. I'm gonna put all my stuff up too. There go Cairo, y'all. Cairo, look at the vlog. Say hey to the vlog. No? Let me see your phone. So Cairo got Burger King. He got some French toast sticks, hash browns, 2 hash browns, and what's this? It's like a burrito. You gonna eat your food? He don't want it right now. But he a little moody because he wasn't ready to go. He wasn't ready to come home. I just put on Funny Mike for him. He like watching Funny Mike. But I'm about to eat my food.
I think that was just true. They trick or treat every year. That's probably not even true. I think you're believing so.
He want to take my last shrimp, but he don't want to eat his food.
Okay, 2, 1,
I might end up taking a nap. I'm tired. I ain't go to bed until... What time I went to bed last night? It was like 1 or 2 o'clock. And then even before that, I've been going to bed late, so I really need to go to sleep. I need to take a nap.
Comment down below. What should we do?
I'm going to end this video. I just wanted to do like a little pack with me / get ready with me for a girls' night / sleepover. So that's really what I wanted to do in this video. So thank y'all for watching. Cairo. I'm going to end this video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, do all of that. So thank y'all for watching, and we will see y'all in the next vlog.
Peace. Bye.